Hi friends, welcome to my channel PKR Vibes Career and Growth. Today we will discuss about the scenario claim paid scenario through check. Before that, I would like to discuss pre-call analysis for this scenario and also AR caller task for this scenario and what are the action taken by the AR callers we will discuss now. First, pre-call analysis. So we know that we submitted claim to insurance and no response is received from the insurance, and also there is no any updated information in our sources about this claim. At that time, we have to do a small pre-call analysis for this scenario. First, we have to check our doctor software. Does we have any EOB which is received by the payer or not? So and you have to check your software clearly. Is there any information about this claim? If you doesn't find any information in your software, check your doctor's internal clearinghouse. So for any EOB received or any other information, for example, you submitted claim through electronically, you have to you have to check your clearinghouse whether that claim was accepted by the payer or not, or otherwise it is rejected or not, so that you can do that small analysis in your claim paid scenarios if you don't have any EOBs. So pre-call analysis, first point, you have to check your doctor software for any EOBs and check your doctor's internal clearinghouse for any EOBs or any information about the claim. If EOB was not received or no response received from the payer, so as a AR caller, you have to do the call to insurance and get the claim details or claim status. So next step is AR caller task. So just now we discussed there is a no EOB. So that's what you're calling to insurance and also get the below steps. So if you don't have any information with you, the basic and standard question you're requesting to the insurance representative over the phone call is, may I know the claim status, please? So if you are asking this question to the insurance representative over the phone call, then insurance representative, for example, if they said that yes, this claim was paid, then you have to ask the basic details like what is the receive date, process date, and very important, what is the paid date. Because they say that claim was paid, you have to ask that what is the date for that paid. So paid date is very important here. And the next point we will discuss about, if the claim was paid, you have to get the payment details. So next, the third point is we have to get the payment details like what is paid amount. And if they say that it is a paid, if you submitted on one claim, if you submitted more than CPT lines, then you have to ask, does this claim was paid partially or completely? So if they say it is completely, you have to take that complete CPT details. If they say that it is partially paid, partially denied, you have to again take that partially payment details and also partially denied CPT reasons. So, for example, if claim was paid completely, then you have to take the paid amount and ask the what is allowed amount, and also is there any patient responsibility. So patient responsibility is nothing but deductible PR1, PR2 is coinsurance, and PR3 is a copay given to that patient. And the next we have to ask, is there any discount or provider adjustment? If you are asking this payment details, they will clearly tell. If you are not asking also, they will provide all details, but if they are missing these details, you have to ask and confirm. So for example, sometimes what happened, they say that claim was paid, for example, $200. For example, claim was paid $200 and also they allowed $200, and nothing but in that case there is a no patient responsibility. You have to understand that it is a paid 200 and also allowed 200 means there is a no patient responsibility. For example, you billed this claim as a $500. Your paid amount is $200, allowed amount is $200, and nothing but patient responsibility is a zero, and remaining $300 is a provider write-off or provider discount or provider adjustment amount is a 300. So this is that payment details. And coming to the fourth point, you have to ask mode of the payment. For example, claim, here I am telling that claim was paid by the check. For example, rep said that claim was paid through check. Here you have to get the complete check details. So that is that fourth point. Check details nothing but if this claim was paid through check, you have to ask what is the check number. It is a mandatory thing. So you have to ask, is a single check or bulk check. So if it is paid through bulk check, you have to get the bulk amount. What is that bulk check amount? If it is paid through check, single check, you have to get the what is single check amount. And also when check is issued and when check was cashed out. And note one point, if this claim was paid through check, right? You have to verify to which address this check was given. So verify check was paid to the correct provider address or not, because on claim form you can find the address in box number 33. You have to verify this check was given to that box number 33 address or not. If it is given to the address, it's well and good. If it is not given to that address, then the scenario will be changed. Then scenario is claim paid to wrong address. Then I will discuss this scenario claim paid to wrong address in next coming video. And if claim is if you feel that you verified the check address and it is paid to the correct address, then okay, then you can stick to this scenario. So first, if you claim is you are getting claim payment details and claim dates and also check details, then you doesn't have any UOB with you, right? Because you initially pre-call analysis you did that there is no UOB received from the insurance. So in that case, you have to request the paid UOB through the fax or mailing address. So if they are giving through the through fax, you have to provide your fax number to insurance representative with attention, and at the time they will give that paid UOB to your fax. So if you don't have UOB, right, you have to request paid UOB through the fax. That is one more important task. And also get the claim number, call reference number, and close the call. And as a AR caller, post your AR notes with complete details in your doctor's software. Don't forget this. And finally, we will discuss about the actions for claim paid scenario to check by AR caller. First, you need to allow few business days to receive the requested paid UOB through the fax or mailing address. So if the second point is, if UOB is received, whatever you requested through the fax or mailing address, then task to internal posting team to post the payments along with your UOB. That is your task. And friends, really thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for understanding these videos. And if you watching my video first time, could you please subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.